Hey guys, welcome to my channel Career Solution, an institute of education where you can join the pillar of success and get ahead of others. So today we are going to discuss about a chapter integers, which is the second part of this video for class 7th ICSE board. Okay, mathematics, board mass. What is board mass exactly? What is board mass? So whenever the expressions of a number are given in the different arithmetical operations, like whenever you have a numbers list of numbers which are connected with each other with a different signs. Okay, so how you can solve that expressions? Okay, number के expression को how we can solve when they are connected with the different sign. Okay, बहुत सारे साइन से कोई नंबर कनेक्टेड है, how we can solve it, that we have to know. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the board mass. What is board mass exactly? Board mass says that if any expression has a bracket, then first solve the bracket. Then if somewhere is written off, then solve off. Off means होता है multiplication. And then do the division. If the expression contains division, then do the division. Then multiplication. And then addition and subtraction. After that you have to do addition and subtraction. Clear? अगेन मैं तुमको एक बार और बता देता हूँ. सपोज करो कि इसी एक्सप्रेशन में ब्रैकेट है तो सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करोगे. अगर ब्रैकेट नहीं है, ऑफ लिखा है तो ऑफ को सॉल्व करोगे. ब्रैकेट भी है, ऑफ भी है तो पहले ब्रैकेट फिर ऑफ सॉल्व करोगे. देन आफ्टर अगर कोई डिवीजन प्रोसेस है तो डिवीजन करोगे. अगर ब्रैकेट के अंदर डिवीजन है तो पहले ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाला डिवीजन सॉल्व होगा. देन आफ्टर बाहर का डिवीजन, देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन. ब्रैकेट में भी कैसे? सबसे पहले if there is a small bracket, solve the small bracket, then curly bracket, and then after the square bracket. Okay, this is the rule to solve. First solve the small bracket, after that curly bracket, and then after square bracket. So whenever board mass says that first solve the bracket and then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. Off means also a multiplication, kind of multiplication it is, but off and multiplication, there is a difference between off and multiplication. Off is the fractional part of multiplication, so first we will do the off and then after division and then after multiplication. Board mass. Clear? Now we are discussing about the V board mass. What is V board mass? Board mass is same. One more word is here, V. V means होता है vernaculum, or you can say bar. So if any number is containing bar, suppose you have a number like 3 minus 4 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is containing bar. So very first, okay, and then after it is written in the bracket. So the very first what you will do, you will solve the vernaculum or bar. Bar is kind of bracket also. So 3 minus 2 become 1 and 6 divided by 1 becomes 6. Okay, and then after 3 minus 4 plus 6. So 3 and 6 become 9. 9 minus 4 become 5 will be the answer of this question. I am telling you I am going to solve this kind of question. Many a question I am going to solve this. Right now I am telling you ki what is vernaculum. Vernaculum is a bar. Okay, so in any expression it is a number of expressions, it is a list of number which are in the form of expression connected with the different signs. So how we can solve it? We are using the method of board mass. In board mass, what says? Board mass says that first solve the bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. That is the rule to solve the expressions of a number. And there is one more thing which is called V board mass. V board mass means vernaculum of board mass. In that, if there is a vernaculum contains in any expression, so very first we will solve vernaculum, then bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. And how we are solving the bracket? In bracket, first we will solve the smaller bracket, then curly bracket and then after a square bracket. That is the rule to solve the bracket. Okay. So now directly I am coming to the question, which is the question of exercise 1.c, or you can say 1c. It is example of 1c. 45 minus of square bracket of 28 minus of curly bracket 34 minus bracket of 24 minus vernaculum of 14 minus 18. Okay. what I had told you, you have to follow the board mass or V board mass. So Vernaculam is present over there, so we are going to follow the Vernaculam board mass. So 45 minus 28, write as it is written, minus of 34 minus 24 minus of 14 minus 18 become, what I had told you, it is a kind of bracket. So 14 minus 18 become minus 4 because 18 is in minus. Okay, minus 4, and then after a bracket and then curly bracket. Okay, so 45 minus 28 minus 34 minus of 24, and minus minus become plus 4, and then curly bracket of this. So 45 minus 28 minus of 34 minus 24 and 4 become 28, and 28 minus and plus become minus 28. Now the smaller bracket is solved. Now we'll go through the curly bracket. So 45 minus 28 minus 34 minus 28 becomes 6, curly bracket of 6, and then this. Okay, what we'll do? What we'll do? Now we will solve the curly bracket. 45 minus 28 minus plus become minus 6, and then 45 minus 28 minus 6 become 22 plus. Now it will become 45 minus plus become minus 22, 5 to 3 and 4 to 2. So 23 is an answer. Again I am taking a next question. 18 minus 20 minus 15 plus 8. Okay. So what I had told you, you have to follow the board mass. There is no division, no multiplication. There is a bracket. So first solve the bracket. So 18 minus 20 and 8. They are in plus sign. So 20 and 8 become 28 minus 15. 18 minus of 28 minus 15. 8, 5, 3, 2 and 1, 1. And 28 is in plus. So 13 is also is in plus. So 18. Now again minus plus become minus 13. 18 minus 13 become 5, which is the answer. All question belongs to exercise 1C only for class 7th ICSE board. Now the next question is minus 15 plus 24 divided of 15 minus 13. What I had told you, board mass follow karna hai. In that first solve the bracket. So minus 15 plus 24 divided by 15 minus 13 become 2. Bracket के बाहर आ जाएगा 2. Minus 15 यहाँ डिवीजन है तो पहले डिवीजन करेंगे. minus 15 प्लस 2 12 या 24 प्लस और प्लस का डिवीजन प्लस ही होगा तो 12 प्लस minus 15 plus 12 become minus 3, which is an. Now this is the next question. 35 minus of curly bracket 15 plus 14 minus of 13 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3 and whole is having Vernaculam. So what I had told you, follow the board mass. So 35 minus 15 plus 14 minus 13 plus 3 and 2 5, 5 minus 1 4, 4 plus ka. So 13 plus 4. Vernaculam is solved. Now smaller bracket is here and then curly bracket. So 35 minus 15 plus 14 minus of 13 and 4 becomes 17 and minus plus become minus 17. Now smaller bracket has been solved. 35 minus 15 and 14 is in plus and 17 is minus. So 15, 14 become 29 and 17 you have to minus 3. So 15 minus 3 become 12. 12 you will get inside after solving this. So 35 minus plus become minus 12. Now a smaller bracket is also solved. 5, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. 23 is an answer. Okay, so this is now next question. 9 into 8 minus 3 plus 2 Vernaculam minus of 2 into 2 plus 3 Vernaculam. So 9 into 8 minus sign is outside of Vernaculam. So 3 and 2 become 5 and 5 is in plus. So minus plus become minus. Okay, so minus 5. Minus of 2 into 2 plus 3 becomes 6. 6 in Vernaculam is in plus and plus multiply is plus, so plus 6. So 9 into 8 minus 5 become 3, minus of 2 into 2 plus 6 become 8. What board mass says? For do the multiplication. So 9 3 is 27, minus 2 8 is 16, 7 6 1, 2 and 1 1, 11 is an answer. Okay, again there is an expression 17 minus square bracket of 17 minus curly bracket of 17 minus smaller bracket of 17 minus of vernaculum of 17 minus 17, then after smaller bracket, then after curly bracket, and then after square bracket. Okay, we have to solve this expression, and as you all know, we have to follow only and only the BODMAS rule, or you can say the V BODMAS rule. So V BODMAS rule what says? It says that first solve the vernaculum, okay, and then after bracket, and then the BODMAS is same. So 17 minus of curly bracket of 17 minus 17 minus 17 become 0. So 17 minus 0 and then curly bracket. So 17 minus 17 and minus plus become minus 17 and curly bracket directly. So 17 minus curly bracket 17 minus 17 become 0. So 17 minus 0. So 17 minus 0 becomes 17. It will come outside of the bracket. So 17 is in plus, minus plus become minus. 17 minus 17 become 0. So 0 is an answer. This is another question. 46 minus of a square bracket 26 minus curly bracket of 14 minus 4 divided by 2 into 2 smaller bracket, then curly bracket and then square bracket. I am going to solve this again. कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, सेम टू सेम बार बार हमको BODMAS ही अप्लाई करना है. इस बार वर्नाकुलम नहीं है, ब्रैकेट है. विल सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट एंड फॉलोइंग द BODMAS रूल इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट एज वेल एज आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट. बस फर्स्ट inside the bracket we are using BODMAS, and then after outside the bracket we are using the BODMAS. So 46 minus of 26 minus curly bracket of 14 minus 15. What I had told you, very first you have to divide. So 15 minus 4 मत कर देना, minus 4 divided by 2, minus of plus का division minus 2 2 जा 4. तो 15 minus 2 into 2, into में 2 लिखा हुआ है, उसको लिख दो. Smaller bracket, then curly bracket and then square bracket. So 46 minus 26 minus curly bracket of 14 minus 15. First multiply, so 15 minus 2 2 ja 4, minus and plus minus, and then square bracket, smaller bracket, curly bracket and then square bracket. So 46 minus 26 minus curly bracket of 14 minus 15 minus 4 become 11, and 11 is in plus, so minus plus minus, so 11 minus and then curly bracket and then square bracket. Now smaller bracket has been solved. 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus 11 is 3. 3 is in plus, 14 plus का है, तो 14 minus 11 become 3 is in plus, and minus plus become minus 3. Now curly bracket is solved. So 46 minus 26 minus 3 become 23. प्लस में 26 प्लस का है तो 23 आएगा. Now 46 and minus plus become minus 23. So 46 minus 23 become 23 is in plus क्योंकि 46 plus का है. So 46 minus 23 equals to 23. This is the last question of this chapter, BODMAS, and then exercise 1C is totally completed, or you can say chapter 1 is completed. So last question was what? 45 minus of square bracket 38 minus of curly bracket 60 divided by 3 minus of 6 minus 9 divided by 3 smaller bracket close, and then after divided by 3 curly bracket and then after square bracket. Okay, so 45 minus 38 minus 60 divided by 3. You can solve, but I am not going to solve over here. Now minus of 6 and minus and plus division is minus, and 3 3 is 9. 6 minus 3, and then after divided by 3 and then curly bracket and then square bracket. 45 minus 38 minus curly bracket of 60 divided by 3 minus of 6 minus 3 become 3 and minus plus 3. 6 minus 3 become 3. 3 is in plus and minus plus become minus 3. But first you have to solve the bracket. So minus 3 outside the bracket divided by 3, then curly bracket and then square bracket. 45 minus 38 minus 60 divided by 3 become 20 minus 3 divided by 3 become 3. In both the places you have to divide first and then after bracket. 45 minus 3 divided by 3 become 1. By mistake I had said 3 divided by 3 become 3. It may happen sometimes. 45 minus 38 divided by 60 divided by 3 become 20 and 3 divided by 3 become 1. So 45 minus 38 minus 21 and 20 minus 1 become 19 plus ka, and when we multiply by minus inside the bracket, so minus plus become minus 19. So 45 minus 38 minus 19 become 19 plus, and when we open the bracket outside the bracket there is a minus sign, so minus and plus multiplication is minus. So 45 minus 19, 15 में से 9 गया 6, 1 2, 26 will be the answer. So the answer is 26. This is it for today's class, बच्चा लोग. I hope you all enjoy the videos and solve all the rest of the question of exercise as well as from the example. This is your homework. Thank you so much for attending my videos. Thank you so much for giving such a nice response. This is it for today's class. We'll meet soon.